A denied Swagbucks withdrawal usually happens because of account verification issues, missing requirements, or a problem with the payment request. By the end, you'll know the common reasons Swagbucks withdrawals get denied and the steps to check before submitting another request. Start by reviewing your Swagbucks account information and making sure your profile details are accurate. Payment requests can fail when account information does not match the required verification details. Check your name, email, and other account information before trying again. Next, check whether your account has completed any required verification steps. Some withdrawals may require additional confirmation before they can be processed. If your withdrawal was denied, review the message or notification from Swagbucks. The reasons shown there can help identify what needs to be fixed. You should also check that you are requesting a payment method available for your account. Different reward options may have different requirements. Before submitting another withdrawal request, make sure your account does not have any pending issues. Complete any missing steps first instead of repeatedly requesting the same withdrawal. If you are using the Swagbucks app, update it to the latest version and try again. App issues can sometimes prevent account information from displaying correctly. You can also try logging out and signing back in to refresh your account session. If the withdrawal continues to be denied, contact Swagbucks support through the official help section. Include the withdrawal details, the error message, and any screenshots that show the problem. Clear information helps support understand why the payment request failed and what action is needed. Avoid creating multiple accounts or entering incorrect information because account problems can become harder to resolve. The main fixes are simple. Check your account details, complete verification steps, review the withdrawal reason, and contact Swagbucks support if the problem continues. Before trying another withdrawal, open your Swagbucks account and confirm everything is correct, so your next request has the best chance of processing. Subscribe for more Swagbucks guides, reward app fixes, and payment troubleshooting videos. And like the video if this helped you fix a denied withdrawal.